Pero una sola foto por persona.
He said, just one picture for president.
Oh, no.
Wow.
So this is the cured, the home cured.
Puedo tomarla, puedo oler.
Look, you can take it, you can
Smells
smell.
so good. It smells like honey.
Many leaf tied together like this, smell very hard, very strong. But when this is rolling the cigar, then you smell it softer.
Oh,
Oh.
quite nice.
Oh, it's strong, isn't it?
Good.
Yeah. Oh, it smells strong. Still smell the tobacco though, can't you?
Sí, esa es la hoja de tabaco ya lista,
Good.
buena para fumar. Esa hoja es del año pasado.
So he said that this is, tobacco leaf is good, so this is already ready for smoke. This is a leaf that came from the last year
Con una fermentación natural,
with the natural fermentation.
más aroma, menos nicotina.
It's have a good aroma and less nicotine.
Y la fermentación, acá en la casa de tradición de familia,
Still
es una
strong, eh? You
fermentación,
just unroll
es
it.
muy flexible, muy elástica.
Yeah,
It's more flexible.
Yeah.
amazing.
Y un poquito de masaje más flexible.
A little more massage it, it's more flexible.
Ah,
Like in a lady.
No lo digo, yo otra vez le dije.
Sticks to the tobacco, right?
Ah,
The way he made everything by hand. Just listen, women, not for men. At the end of the tour, any woman you need a massage, you're coming back here. He's married for 7 times.
Gracias. Bueno, esta hoja tiene una fermentación para más aroma, menos nicotina. Y la fermentación acá en la casa de tradición de familia es una fermentación con agua, de miel, la hoja de la guayaba y un poquito de ron. Todo mezclado, similar a un mojito, y se lleva al fuego para que hierva.
He said in here and in all the year around here, and then the traditional family, they made her very special fermentation with the water, honey, guava leaf, a little bit of rum. He's responsible, the rest of the bottle of rum disappear, he drink it.
Directo.
And then he put it like this kind of cocktail in the fire. When they find it, the boiler 2-3 hours later, it's a bit cold, taking a big plastic and putting a big house there on the floor. And then by hand, Sprite every leaf.
Una sola vez es suficiente y es finito.
He said one is enough.
Después se conserva la hoja bien prensada, bien sellada, en una corteza que tiene la palma real que se llama yagua y se utiliza para conservar la humedad y la protección de las hojas.
And then he made her the humidor, with the material came from the royal palm tree. Keep it well, the humidor, and then protect it well. Y ya después está listo, ¿cuántos meses?
2 meses, listo para fumar. Pero siempre se toma la producción de 1 año al próximo.
And 2 months later, after the fermentation, this will leave inside the box, the humidor, and it's all ready for smoke. But they never do something like this. They prefer to keep it inside the humidor 1 year, 2 years, have a good flavor. This is the same vein from the leaf. This one is very hard. ¿Qué por ciento se va aquí?
72%.
72% for nicotine is gone here.
Oh, wow.
Gone here. Well, this one is go back to the land like in a fertilizer, making the compost. And then in Cuba, when the tobacco grow in the field, something like that, the small one, sometimes it's caterpillar and insects attack. Right? How can I kill a caterpillar without chemical pesticide? Taking a lot of Saint vein with a container with the water together, they call it tabaquina, and then in a few days later put it in a machine and a little bit of this kind of liquid, and then Sprite every plant, killing the caterpillar, the another insect is gone. Everything is organic, without chemical. This is the material from the royal palm tree. This one is big. This leaf is big, like this and this out here. But he needed cut to depend on making a roll in the cigar. This is artesanal. This is at a humidor for this kind of cigars.
Con esta corteza y rolado en un plástico similar es posible conservar 3 años.
That's what they make the
Something like this, and after rolling the plastic, it's possible keep it well, the good quality during the 2 or 3 years later.
Lo que es necesario que cuando se toman 2 del paquete, se abre el paquete y se vuelven a prensar con partes.
It is necessary when you need to take it to, you need to push it back in the back, open in the pack, and then roll it tight again.
Para conservar la humedad y la
And
protección.
then conservation well, to keep it well, the humid.
Y siempre cuando se vayan a tomar es de aquí hacia allá, ¿no?
Weights in the back.
para la protección de la capa.
Try to avoid the rock and the wrap leaf. The wrap leaf means the last one leaf address the cigar.
You see the comments.
Gracias. Bueno, y si alguien tiene problema con la suegra, no hay problema. Quita.
This one is very good. I have it in my home too. It's very good. You want to kill it, you mold it up so slowly. You take this one. This is the best idea.
¿El flaco no iba a salir hoy?
¿Eh?
¿El flaco no iba a salir?
No, no sé. No viene. Es la que viene la visita está en el museo, ¿cómo se llama?
La Irene.
¿Qué suerte tengo yo?
Sí, lo único que sirve de toda la metralla que hay ahí, lo único que sirve es eso, lo digo yo.
Realmente lo creo. Bien. Oye. Well, this is the third part of the cigar, filler. This is the more important part of the cigar because I have a combustion there. And the filler, it do a perfect combination, dark leaf and light leaf. And the second one is a binder, and the last one is a wrap leaf. The wrap leaf, this is the more flexible leaf. It came from the bee of the plant for the dressed cigar. Well, in the cigar factory, after the binder, roller, in the factory have it prints, put in the prints 1.5 hour, and later dress. He don't have prints. He believes the prints is in the finger. The tight, right in the tight.
Are they all the same leaves though? The different leaves or the same one?
Different leaf.
Different leaf, right.
But it's the same. But it's the same from here from yellow tobacco negro. It's a black tobacco here.
Yeah.
The another cigar need a combination. The another leaf and the another kind of cigars. The another kind of leaf.
Yeah.
Because a lot of in Cuba we have a lot of kind of tobacco.
Yeah.
Decía Gerardo, nosotros siempre estamos juntos, tomando unas cervecitas, el otro partido esa gente nunca está
No. Te lo digo porque a mí que me da cuenta, porque yo trabajé en el museo 11 años, junto con la misma galamarilla esa. Tú no sabes nada, los tropelajes del difunto Susi con el propio mar. No sabes nada de eso. Y yo digo que el Susi murió de sufrimiento de nuestras recombinaciones con ellos.
So ready.
Finito.
Beautiful.
Gracias.
Then smell it. Smell it.
Tú ves más poco, uno tiene mierda más grande que tiene polvo.
That's what it smells like. That's good smell.
You get the good one step coming. One smoke.
Finito explicación, finito fabricar, ahora vamos a probar.
As I said, they're under roller. We want
Okay.
to smoke right now. Let me show some scene here.
Vamos a explicarle a Gabrielito.